Aikido, an ancient samurai martial arts technique. A philosophy of peace, harmony, and self-improvement. Train with Key Aikido Bicol Foundation Incorporated. Learn the way of mind and body unification. Lead the path to the way of harmony with the key of the universe. Harness your inner balance, precision, timing, and internal energy, rather than speed or strength. Aikido Bicol Foundation Incorporated. 853 Rizal Street, Olden 5, District, Legazpi City. SEC registration number 1-1998-00183, Philippines. Log on to www.geocities.com/scoutfiorg/index.html. Key Aikido Bicol Foundation Incorporated.